this to bits. Drain the oil out of it first, so I better crack on and do that. Take the footrests off. I would have liked to have got it started before I decided to pull it all to bits, but you didn't start it like that. Oops. Oops again. the lever off. Oh, hold on. I didn't even put all the screws back in here for the cover because I just wanted to make sure that we've got a spark, and we have, so that's good. This was the bit that Matt did for me. Just extended that bit by 10mm, and basically it just makes the clutch operation a little bit easier. Right. Just move you around here. This is the kickstart shaft, and there's no way that should be doing that. So you can see why I want to take it all to bits. Terrible. Disconnect the cables to the battery. I think what I'm going to do is switch you off and start you again when I've got the engine out. Right, a little bit more of an update. I've got the airbox out, what have you. I've just taken the carbs off, and that was the state of the gasket. That was like whatever, like that inside the. It was only held on by one screw. There's the gasket off the other one, which you can see. Guess what? No gasket at all. Yeah, no gasket on that one either. So chances are it'd run like a bag of spanners if it had ever gone. So there you go. A few more bits and good reasons why not to trust other people when they've rebuilt engines for you. But there you go. Well, as you can see, engine's out. Didn't take too long to get it out. Bit of wiggling and jiggling as always. It's out. I might just leave this till tomorrow. I'd like to take it out and strip it down now, but my belly's rumbling and it's got to be nearly tea time, so I'm just going to bung up the holes, make sure that nothing gets in, just in case the little elf comes around and throws something in the engine. It won't matter anyway, because it's the bits, but it's always best to be safe. So we'll bung the holes up, and we'll leave it till tomorrow. So anyway, we will resume tomorrow morning. Bye for now.